Speak English faster. Your, and your. What's the secret to speaking faster? Well, one of the things you need to recognize is that there are two ways to speak English: the slow way and the fast way. Check out our other videos on speaking faster. Did ya? What'da ya? Gonna. See links below. The slow way is fine, but that's not the way most native speakers talk. Let's look at it more carefully. The slow way. The fast way. Did you get the money? Did you get the money? What do you want? What do you want? Your food is ready. Your food's ready. What is your name? What's your name? Note, we talk like this, but we usually don't write like this. That can be quite confusing. When we speak in the slow way, we say every word individually. When we speak the fast way, we run some words together, or we reduce the focus on them. We don't usually eliminate the words, we just de-emphasize them. In today's video, we'll focus on one word or phrase that is often reduced in speech. The word is your. The phrase is your. The pronunciation is the same for these, especially in the fast way, your. The main difference is that you can break up the second one, you are, but you can't break up the first one, your. Because the pronunciation is the same, some speakers get the spelling wrong. For example, they might write, "You're welcome." That is incorrect, when it should be, "You're welcome." Can you see the difference in writing? That's another topic. Today we'll focus mainly on pronunciation and speaking. When you want to use the words your or your, you can usually reduce the words to your or combine the words with other words around them. We'll show you how to do this. Number 1, reducing your or your to your. Let's look at some examples. The slow way. I think you're right. The fast way. I think you're right. The slow way. It's on your right. The fast way. It's on your right. What's the same? The pronunciation is the same. For speaking, it sounds almost exactly identical. What's different? The meaning. Also the spelling. The writing is different. Again, we don't usually write your. We just say it that way. Practice changing your or your to your. We'll do it like this. First, I'll say it the slow way. Then you say it the fast way. Then I'll say it the fast way. Let's try the first one. I'll say it the slow way. Your cat is cute. You say it the fast way. Now I'll say it. Your cat's cute. Let's try another one. The slow way. Your home is nice. You say it the fast way. Your home's nice. Number 3. Your home already? Your home already? 4. Your mom is here. Your mom's here. 5. You're a little late. You're a little late. 6. You're playing games. You're playing games. Number 7. Your brother is outside. Your brother's outside. 8. You're not there yet. You're not there yet. 2. Combining with other words. When you put words in front of your, it often affects the pronunciation. Look at the following examples. The slow way, who's your friend? The fast way, who's your friend? The pronunciation will be written in a different way to help you see the combination. Who's your friend? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Did you fix your car? Did you fix your car? Did you fix your car? Did your dad get back? Did your dad get back? Did your dad get back? Don't worry too much about getting this perfect. Pronunciation will come with practice. Most of the sounds are natural combinations. Here are some tips. Pronunciation. After, which sounds. Examples, the fast way. YER. After, most sounds. For example, the fast way. Will your sister be at the party? JER. After, D. Example. Did your mom say it was okay? Did your. Sure. After, X or KS. Example. Did you fix your phone? Fix your. Sure. After, TS. Example. What's your favorite drink? What's your. JER. After, vowel plus S. How's your grandpa? How's your. Or after other sounds. When's your birthday? When's your. Practice changing your to your. JER, sure, chur, and JER. We'll do it like we did the other one. I'll say it the slow way, then you say it the fast way, then I'll say it the fast way. Let's try number 1 as an example. Can your parrot fly? You say it the fast way. I'll say it the fast way. Can your parrot fly? 2. Did your father get home? You say it. Did your father get home? 3. Who's your boss? Who's your boss? 4. What's your zodiac sign? What's your zodiac sign? 5. Will your friend make it? Will your friend make it? 6. It's your turn now. It's your turn now. 7. Did you fax your document? Did you fax your document? 8. Where's your companion? Where's your companion? 9. Give it your best effort. Give it your best effort. 10. Would your mom like that? Would your mom like that? Note, for number 9, sometimes you can say sure. Give it your best effort. Hope that was helpful. Keep practicing. It'll take some time to get used to. If this was useful, please give us a thumbs up in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and let us know your ideas for our next video. This video was sponsored by the following English learning websites: eslgold.com and freeenglishstudy.com.